Hi children! Today let's read from Little Croc's book, Mommy, I Can Take Care of Myself. This is Little Croc, and this is Little Croc's mommy. Mommy, are we visiting Grandma today? Yes, but let's have our breakfast before that, shall we? Mommy, I will get the milk. I will be careful not to spill it. I will not play with the spoon, my plates, and my food. I knock the egg gently and peel the shell slowly. Then place the broken eggshell nicely on the plate, not all over the table. Next, I shall eat some fruits. Peel the banana on my own. Wow, it's yummy, Mommy. After eating, I throw the eggshell and banana skin into the rubbish bin. Mommy, I can clear the table myself. Do. Next, I'll go to the washroom. Clean my hands and mouth. Ooh, how I love the fan. It's so cooling. Oops, but I can't touch the fan. It's dangerous. I know how to take good care of myself. Oh, wait. My nose is runny. No problem at all. Let me clean it with my handkerchief. Oh, Mommy, let me help you pack the fruits for Grandma. Let's go, Mommy. Oh, wait. My shoelace is loose. Let me fix it myself. I can take care of myself. Are you tired, Little Croc? Let Mommy carry you. It's okay, Mommy. Thank you very much. You don't have to carry me, Mommy. I can walk myself. Grandma! How are you, Grandma? Oh, my dear Little Croc, Grandma misses you so much. Your mommy says you've been very good and very clever too. You know how to take good care of yourself. Grandma is very proud of you, Little Croc. What do you think, children? Wasn't Little Croc a brilliant child? He had breakfast on his own without spilling the milk. And he didn't mess up the table. He even cleared the table on his own after eating. He doesn't play with dangerous items in the house like the fan, remember? Children, we should not play with dangerous items in the house. Things which are sharp or long or even wires, electrical stuff and electronic stuffs. These are all very dangerous items. We should not play with them at home. I trust that you will also learn how to take good care of yourself. Always remember to obey and listen to your parents because they know what is best for you. That's all for today. I'll see you again. God bless.